again. Part 2, video 2, how we can call it. It's about the pigeon trap. Here it is, it's ready, it's done, and it's good to go. Pretty solid. 3 doors, the one on this side, one on the other side here. And the funniest thing is that it has a handle there. That is from my old pigeon log, and I don't want it to throw it away, so I decided I'm going to put it there just to help me to pick it up easier, the drop. So it's good to go, and I'm going to use it for my pigeons, to move my pigeons when I drop them in a different spots in different places. And also, why not, and for any other pigeon or for doves, just for fun. So have a good one, everyone. See you to the next video.